Okay, guys. You two wants to try to play?
Yay!
But be careful, okay?
I will. Ow, well. It hurts too bad.
Well, okay. If you don't want to play, just keep that, okay?
Alright then.
Think about it.
So all of you guys are done playing? I know we're trying to having fun because I didn't like it. Oh, you don't want to play anymore, Bitsy? No, I did not. Okay. Nice try. I hope Bitsy doesn't want to play. Well, at least I can. Actually, no, I'll get tired. Do something else.
So, Mr. Fry. What's up? Do you know how these guys been remembered to it? What? How's he doing? Well, Jacob said he doesn't want to play. Oh, how about they can try to be a big swing? Jacob, you want to try?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Cool.
I made it.
Good job.
Here we go. Whee! Ah!
Oh no, Jacob. Are you alright?
Ah. I'm okay. Phew. That was super close.
Well, be careful, Jacob, and try to hold on. He's right, so don't try to let go, or else you could get hurt.
Okay, sorry, Dad.
That's okay.
Italia,
What's it, Jacob?
you like me?
Of course we like you. Besides, you don't have much time to go to sleep. Weren't you?
Nope. I hope they're not doing it.
Good. That's what I want to hear.
But I know what just happened.
What do you want, Jacob?
I will play like a swing. So you wouldn't play with us. I'll push you, Jacob. What? Hey. No! Ow! Sorry. Hey, don't do that. Ooh. Refs. Huh? Jacob, is that you? Yes, it's me. Oh, hi. It's so good to see you. Thanks, Rex. Hey, you want to get on swing? No, it's too big. Why should get in the swing? So I'm okay. Fine. Just take care, whatever. Hi, Andrew. It's nice to see you.
Oh, hi there, Jacob. How you doing?
I'm just okay. What about trying to get played alone?
You really think so?
Yep. We want to try to play here on the fairground.
Oh, that would be amazing. Sweet.
I'm going to sit on the swing, shall we?
Okay, good idea.
I hope anyone didn't do it. Ah! Whoa! Someone help! Ah! Ow!
Are you okay, Jacob?
I'm alright. I didn't get hurt. Jacob, what happened? Is something wrong with you? No, Gabby. I'm fine. I just won't get hurt. Okay, that's the problem where you should have been playing like that. Yeah, Jacob, she's right. We don't mind you gonna play with that.
I agree with Ferrari. You know, sometimes, guys,
What?
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 You guys are get expelled for it. So let's just go home. We have enough time to play again anymore for a little while. Are you sure you won't able to play like that? Like I don't.
Same as I.
You don't want to play anything else, Bitsy?
Nope, I don't think I can.
Oh, okay. That's really smart.
Brandon, you have a nice day. Did it very well.
I hope they didn't like it for about this time. Gabby. Just make sure everyone's trying to be the best day ever. Alright?
Well, I hope they did like it.
Me too. Well, I'll get going, so goodbye now. I'll see you there.
Okay, bye, Brandon. Thanks a lot.
See ya.
Gabby? What's up, Mom? Whoa! Hey, be careful. Sorry. I'm gonna go home right now, so you guys have a great, wonderful B Junior's adventure. You will, Mom? I think you had a good day today. And also, we had a great adventures for a long time. You really think so, Jacob? It was, Mom. But I didn't mean to ask anyone who wants to join me together. Isn't that impossible? No, they did not. But what about it? Nothing. Okay, so if they don't want to ask me for nothing at all, we'll try to be punished.
Oh, Jacob. You know, sometimes when they're trying to blame it on you,
Huh?
they wouldn't come over for you. So it's your day. So you're not gonna come see me again, right?
Okay. I'll get going, so goodbye. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Come on, guys, let's just go home.
Alright, Dad, thanks. Hey there, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more videos. Hit that like button to share. And also, you'll never get to see other episodes. So see you later, guys, and have a good time. Bye. And I'm out of here. Peace. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye now. Peace.
Peace.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so tired, Gabby.
You really think so, I tell you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. What about you, Rex? You want trying to go sleep? I think I can. So you want to try and ask those kids to get there a long time? Maybe not. We're just trying to stay here with you. Me too. I just can't wait for it to get a long time.
Right, guys?
Yes.
Yes. I think so. I. Ah, so tired. Lunch more fun. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Ah, best car day ever. Long day ago, these cars would go to sleep, so they weren't able to check on the next episode to begin for a long time. And then for more, they will never get to record anything to do without special things of taking care of it for a long more time. Sweet dreams, guys, and stay tuned for long more. Bye now, and have a good day. Time to be our adventures this year of the week month. See ya.